I'm going to put this right next to this color here, just so you can see. Look at this. It's exactly the same. Welcome back to Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And today I have a haul / review of the new MAC Loud and Clear collection. So if you're interested, keep on watching, duh, and subscribe, duh. So the collection launched February 6th in stores, but on MACcosmetics.com, it had launched, I think, about 2 or 3 days before. However, I had a chance to pick it up yesterday during my lunch break. And I did eat, so I saved calories, because I didn't eat, but I got number, which is a plus, okay? And let's get into what we have. So something fell, just a second. I'm back. All right, so I have 3 items. The first item is the highlighter. This is what I was most excited to get, which is the highlighter. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. So pretty. And this is the clear package it comes in, hence the name Loud and Clear. The color of this is Hot Damn or Zell. I don't know. I'll put the name in the description, of course. And let's just open it up. I just got this yesterday, so I haven't used it. And this is it. So pretty. I really like the clear packaging. Especially if you're someone that is all about packaging. MAC typically has like a black, sleek, beautiful packaging normally, but this clear packaging is very refreshing because it is new. So I just opened it. This is how it looks. It's kind of like a rose gold highlight. Hopefully that's how it comes off when I put it on my face. Because that's, yeah, so this is how it looks close up. So pretty. I'm going to try some on for you guys and see how it comes off and how the color is on my skin. But this is it. This Shop Miss A brush to highlight. This is the AOA Studio F19 brush. In my last video, I did feature this brush when I was doing my foundation routine. So once you have a chance, go to shopmissa.com, pick up this brush. It's $1. I know you have $1. All right. So let's go ahead and try out this highlighter. Just pull my hair this way so you guys can see. And we're going to go ahead and try this thing, girl. So I'm just going to swirl it around in here. And we are going to go ahead and highlight. All right. So hopefully I'm in the right lighting so you guys can see. All right. There it is. So this is definitely a soft glow. It's not anything too harsh, and it's not chunky, it's not glittery. It's literally just a sheen. If you can see that, a really pretty sheen. In fact, this looks like something I have already. And you know, I did pay for this highlighter. It was $37.50. Let me grab my receipt just to make sure I'm giving you the right price. All right, so the highlighter is $37, and I'm feeling like I have something like this in my collection. I'm gonna go take a look so we can compare it. Let me go ahead and first swatch it on my hand so you guys can see it a little closer. So this is how it looks when I swatch it. You see that? So I'm gonna just put it here. See, it's not chunky. It's just like a nice soft sheen, which is so pretty, and it's a little bit of iridescence there. So I'm seeing the rose gold pick up on my skin as well, and you guys can see that little soft glow. I like that. I like that, but I think I have this. So I'm gonna check my collection real quick so we can see. Guys, I'm back. I just added it to the rest of my face. I added on this side and down my, not down my nose, but just like the tip of my nose in this portion here and my Cupid's bow. So it's a really soft, very pretty glow. But like I had mentioned, I think I already have this. And MAC definitely does a lot of repeats. And I mean, for a company that has been in business as long as they have, of course, something's going to be repeat. It's the same outfit, girl. They just put new shoes on it. It's the same outfit. It's just a new bag. You know what I mean? So it happens. But I did find what I have, and it is this. Okay? Do you see that? It's literally the same thing. The name of this is called Gleaming Blush. It's an extra dimension skin finish. Let me just open it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Literally the same thing. I'm going to swatch this one on my hand so you can see it. See? It comes off the same. It's the same thing. I'm going to put it next to this swatch. Do you see a difference? It's the same. So the way I'm kind of feeling right now is, do I want to keep it for $37 to have the same thing, but just different shoes on it? You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know. Let's move on to the blush. I was really excited about this blush, okay? So same clear packaging. The name of this one, it's the Glow Play Blush Collection, and the name of this color is Groovy. This is gonna look good, so good on deep skin tone, medium skin tones. You can even pull it off on a lighter skin tone because it is so sheer, and it's gonna give you just that pop of color, a nice, fresh, awake look, and that's what blush typically does when applied the right way. Because if you don't apply it the right way, you're gonna look like a grandma or some kind of auntie. I don't want to look like an auntie. No. I am an auntie, but I don't want to look like an auntie. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. So this is the blush in the clear packaging. The texture of this is so nice. It's almost in between like a cream and a powder. It's a super soft texture. And it has a slight sheen in it, as you can see. Super pretty. So we're going to go ahead and try this one. I'm going to use a blush brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. There's no number. It just says e.l.f. Cosmetics. So I'm hoping it picks up properly on the light. So I'm just swirling it or tapping it. Not a lot of product is picking up on my brush. I don't know if you can see it. Well, some did pick up, but not a ton. So I don't know. I guess you have to swirl it a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna place it on my cheek. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm just placing it on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm not seeing anything. Let me do it again. I may have to apply this with my finger because the texture is so soft. I don't know if the brush is the best way to apply it. At least the brush that I have right now. Let's try it with my fingers because I'm not seeing anything. I mean, it's coming up. I don't think you guys can see it. So I'm just going to use it on my fingers. It's so soft. I'm just swirling it in my fingers here. And this is how the color looks. See, it's a very... All right, so I swatched it on my finger here. So let me just put some on my hand so you can see the color. I did turn the lights down a little lower. So hopefully that helps apply. But as you can see, it's so soft. If I push my finger too hard, it makes like an indentation, so you can kind of visualize what the texture is like. So let's try that. I'm going to try it with my finger. Okay, my finger is a lot better to apply this. It's a really light flush of color. Let me lean back so you guys can see. And it's really pretty. I really like this. So you can see that little bit of glow here on my cheeks, a little bit of color. It gives me a fresh, awake, young, because I am the young look. Okay. So just tap it in my cheeks. Let's go on the other side. I really like this. So you guys can see it. I'm just using the camera as my mirror. So, all right, so it's a really fresh look. That's a really nice look. If you, of course, are lighter, it's going to show up on you even more. If you're darker than me, I don't know if this is going to show up at all. Unless you go in a little heavier with it, which I'm sure you can. do that. But for me, I think this is going to be my technique to apply this is with my fingers. So let me just lean back a little bit. Oh no, what did I break? So you guys can see. My face looks really fresh. It's very minimal, which is my type. That's my type. Minimal is my type. Fresh, natural is me. I really like this. I think I might pick up the other colors just for my kit on clients. So this is a great blush. I really like it. And it's the type of blush that I like. If you like a more pigmented, a more bright blush, you probably won't like these. But if you like that natural, radiant, fresh, barely there type of makeup, you're gonna like that. And it feels so soft and so silky. So now we're gonna move on to the last thing, which is, I got a lip gloss from the collection, and I also have an exact dupe for that in my collection. So I'll show you guys that next. When I went to go grab the lip gloss that I brought, I looked in the mirror. This camera was not picking up the color because it was coming off really nicely, and it's a lot more vibrant in person. So what I'm gonna do is, at the end of this video, I'm gonna have like a picture with flash so you can really see, because I think it's getting washed out by the light. Okay, I turned the light down, but it's still washing it out. This probably would have been better in natural lighting, but it's rainy and gloomy outside, so I couldn't get that. I had to use this ring light. So let's move on to the lip color. I only brought one. It's a lip gloss, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name. Let you see it. Whatever that is what this lip gloss is. So I got this color, got home, looked at it, and I was like, girl, you have this color. You have an NYX lip gloss in this same color. It's a butter gloss, and you featured it in your last video, which was my nude combinations for brown skin. If you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch that video. This is it here in the package. See that? So pretty. So let's go ahead and put that on. Okay, let me zoom in. Oh, look at that. This lip gloss was $18.50. I don't think I told you what the blush was. I think the blush was also $18. Let me just double check. Where's my receipt? This lip gloss is popping, but let me give you the price. I forgot to do that. What? The blush was $30? The blush was $30. I don't know. Whatever. That's what it is. What it is. The blush was $30. The highlighter was $37, and this was $18 or $18.50. This is such a pretty lip gloss. Girl, let me put a little bit more. Let me swatch it on my hand so you can see. Such a nice nude gloss, right? Right. How about, what had happened was, girl, you already have this gloss. This is by NYX. This is called Praline. I'm going to put this right next to this color here, just so you can see. Look at this. It's exactly the same. And of course, it's a lot cheaper. These butter glosses are maybe $5, maybe. And these butter glosses are very moisturizing, so they're not sticky. So they feel like they cost more on the lips. Just a little tea, in case you want this color, but you don't want to pay $18.50 for it. Go to Target, okay? Go to Ulta. Go online at nyxcosmetics.com and get this Praline. Same damn thing. Okay, guys, so that's the only things that I brought from the collection. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I'll go ahead and try to insert a picture with flash so you guys can really see the makeup. And I'm also going to insert a clip from the store because, of course, there were other things that came in the collection, but I only bought those 3 things because that's the only thing my heart desired. Everything looked like something I already have, including the things I damn brought I already have. I think the highlighter is going to go back. It's pretty. It's beautiful. but I have it. I have it. For $37, I can get something that I don't have, right? Right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video. You can drop a comment. Please be sure to subscribe because, again, you're not going to keep coming here for free. You're going to have to pay alimony, honey. Subscribe. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.